Hello, what is up everybody? Evolving JJ back here with another video. Now this video, I had to do this video for a college assignment, but I'm posting it on YouTube anyway because it has a lot of good information. If you're into computer stuff, this video is for you. If you're not into computer stuff, I don't care what you do with it. You watch it or not watch it. But I'm posting on YouTube anyway, so it's gonna be out there. Alright, so this is like basic computer knowledge of like how we went from like old computers to digital computers and stuff like that. Normal computer stuff. If you know it, you know it. If you don't know it, this is a great chance to learn about it. So my PowerPoint is based on how we came from analog computers to digital computers. That's why it's called Analog to Digital Age by me. Of course, I can't put Evolving JJ over here, but you know it's me. Alright, let's go. So, what we will discuss in this presentation, again, how it came to be, what came from analog to digital, what a modem is, some network agricultures, and wired and wireless communication, and how we can save our device from cyber threats, hacks, and stuff like that. Pretty simple, but yeah. And next slide. So, the analog age. It allowed real-time communication, not communication, computation and operations at the same time. So this computer, this really old computer did that. It represents all data within the range of the analog computer system, perform calculations without transgenders and convert both inputs and outputs of the digital and electronic form, and pretty simple, stuff like that. Provides excellent insight to the actual situation. Alright, and this is where I got the information from. This is source. It's always a good idea to put it out there, just so you're not copyright stuff, you know. That's where I got the information from. Some of this stuff was new to me too, so it's great to do it like that. Alright, the digital age. What was the difference? It performed different calculations and logical operations at an extreme high speed. It accepted raw data as input done in binary numbers 0 and 1 or digital. Allowed users to store large amount of information. The stored information can be retrieved whenever it's required. Pretty simple. Okay, now I'm pretty sure most of you guys know what a modem is, but it transforms digital information from your computer to analog signals that can be transmitted over wires. Basically, it's like a Wi-Fi. It goes along with Wi-Fi. So like everything is wired in this modem, and vice versa, manipulating and sending electrical impulses through phone lines. There's different kind of cables that can go into the modem. Pretty much, that's what it says. And again, that's my source where I got it from. Okay, network. It refers to network devices and that are structured to serve the connectivity that needs to be needs of client devices. And network devices typically include switches and routers. Be sure you guys know what routers are. If not, there's a picture right here. Client devices comprise end user devices, servers, and smartphones. Types of services include DHCP and DNS. So along with this, what is DHCP? It's Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This protocol automatically assigns IP address and other configurations to devices when they connect to a network. Pretty simple. Domain name system is an internet service that translates domain names into IP addresses. Okay. Wired and wireless communication. Pretty simple. Wired is anything that goes in like that's wired, and wireless is that's non-wired. So these are different kind of cables that can go with, you can see in the wired communication media. Ethernet cable, fiber optic cable, and coaxial cable. Ethernet cable, I'm pretty familiar with that. I never saw a fiber optic cable though. If I would have, I didn't. It would have been a long time. But I'm mostly familiar with these two. This one I was not familiar with, sadly. So wireless is anything that can send signals to the air. It's pretty much Wi-Fi, radio, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Anything Wi-Fi related is wireless. Okay, and I even have, hold on, I might have one. I have an Ethernet cable on me. Show it. This is what an Ethernet cable looks like right here. I know I have a picture, but this is one in real life. Slide. Oh, so how we can save from cyber threats, hackers, stuff like that. When using a computer, it is important to keep it safe. You can do it by using a firewall, keep the software up to date, and use an antivirus software, and always keep it up to date. That one also needs to be kept up to date, so that way you'll be safe on the internet. Alright, another thing, never share your password. I'm pretty sure you guys know it by now, but never share your password with anyone, and build a strong password. I've seen some weak passwords, and it's pretty easy to get into another person's system. And my source, even though I knew it, but my source is Microsoft with it. It's pretty simple, but I still have to back it up. Alright. In conclusion, we learned about analog to digital age, what a modem does, different types of network, wired and wireless communication media, and cyber threats, hacks, and safeguards. And these are my works cited articles that I got that information from, and images. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, comment them down below. Like I told you, this was supposed to be a school assignment, but I'm gonna post it on YouTube. You guys can watch it if you want. I'm not gonna force you guys, but it's gonna be out there just for your general knowledge. I like doing this assignment, even though it took a little bit longer than I expected. But I liked it, so that's why I'm posting it on YouTube. With all that said, make sure you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment, do all that good stuff, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.